Hey everyone, welcome back to NarcDiary. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us in our personal and professional lives: how narcissists can destroy our dreams. If you've ever felt held back by someone else's behavior, this video is for you. Every one of us has dreams, aspirations and goals that ignite our passion and motivate us to take action. But sometimes, those dreams can feel just out of reach because of the people around us. So, what exactly is a narcissist? A narcissist is someone who has an inflated sense of self-importance, a deep need for excessive attention and admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. Sounds familiar? Let's explore how these traits can impact your dreams. First up, we have a constant critic. Narcissists tend to diminish others to elevate themselves. If you have a dream or a goal, they may belittle it or question your abilities. Imagine sharing your passion project with someone who responds with negativity or downplays your efforts. Over time, those repeated criticisms can chip away your confidence, making you second-guess yourself. Remember, their words reflect their insecurities, not your capabilities. Don't let their negativity define what you can achieve. Next, let's talk about emotional manipulation. Narcissists can be masters at gaslighting, making you doubt your reality and feelings. They might twist your words or downplay your feelings, creating a sense of confusion. You might find yourself sacrificing your dreams to maintain peace in the relationship. Set clear boundaries and don't let their manipulation derail your goals. Your dreams deserve respect and encouragement. Now, let's discuss the me-first mentality. Narcissists prioritize their own needs and wants above all else. When it comes to your aspirations, they may dismiss your goals entirely, focusing only on their desires. Their self-centeredness can create an environment where your dreams feel unimportant or irrelevant, leading you to neglect them in favor of their whims. It's important to remember that your dreams matter just as much as anyone else's. Don't let a narcissist take center stage in your life. Lastly, we have the fear of rejection. When you're close to a narcissist, their unpredictable behavior and harsh judgment can make you hesitant to pursue new opportunities. You may find yourself holding back from applying for that exciting job or sharing your talent. This fear can become a massive barrier, trapping you in a cycle of self-doubt. So what can you do to reclaim your dreams? First, recognize the narcissist's behavior and how it affects you. Set firm boundaries and seek support from friends or mentors who genuinely encourage your aspirations. Remember, your dreams are valid and achievable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal development and emotional well-being. Until next time, keep reaching for those dreams, because you deserve to see them come true.